Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. Here's a look at Rockport from earlier this morning. You see we've got the clouds in place again. As we made it into the afternoon, we did get kind of a little bonus after yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, a gorgeous afternoon to be out and about. There it is, a little bit of blue sky, a little bit of sunshine. That was kind of like the extra little dog treat we got tossed to us. However, the clouds are filling back into the area, and you know what? We've got a lot of clouds on the way as we make it in through the next several days. So we're now sitting at 61 in Corpus Christi. We've had a little bit more sunshine off to the north. That's where temperatures made it up to around 70 degrees earlier today. But look at what we've got off to the west there in Hebbronville, 58 degrees. Same there in Rockport and Port Aransas, both in the 50s at this time. So that's where we've had a little more cloud cover, and we're starting to see those temperatures fall. We should be making it down to the lower 50s overnight tonight. Across the state of Texas, we've got a little bit of rain here over Louisiana, just some light drizzly rain. That's in our forecast for the next couple of days. But you see a lot of high clouds over the northern portions of the state, from Dallas back into West Texas and the Panhandle. I want to show you what's going on nationally, though, because look at how quiet things are. There's a little belt of rain there in the southeast. We've got a little rain over in Arizona as well, a few little areas of snow, but there's no big weather systems that are causing problems across the United States. Temperatures, a bit of a different story. It's a little bit colder up there to the north. Places like Bismarck sitting in the single digits. International Falls in the same situation. In Cut Bank, Montana, actually below zero at this time. But we do have a cold front in the U.S. It's just sitting down there in Florida, believe it or not. And that's the only cold front we've really got on the temperature map. I do want to show you what we're going to see in the next couple of days, though, and that's going to be a cold front moving into Texas, but it's not on the map yet, so that means it's still yet to form, and it's actually going to form right over the coastal bend by tomorrow. So here's tonight's forecast. We've got the clouds that are going to be in place, and look at what happens throughout the day tomorrow. There's that cold front pretty much forming right over the coastal bend in southeast Texas. There's going to be a lot of rain up there closer to the area of low pressure. A lot less of it, though, down here toward Corpus Christi. So expect some drizzle for tomorrow morning, but by tomorrow afternoon, I don't see much in the way of precipitation falling. As we get into Wednesday, that cold front pushes over the Gulf of Mexico, and we see a little bit of sunshine in the coastal bend, but it doesn't look like everybody's going to see it. There's going to be a very thick line that shows up across the coastal bend. I'll show you that here in just a second on a high-resolution future tracker. But you can see that as we get into Thursday, we're going to still be north of the front. It's going to start to work back into the coastal bend as we head into Friday as some warmer air starts to move in. That means temperatures are going to be in the 70s by the time we hit Friday, and we may actually be pressing that 80-degree mark again as we head into Saturday. So here's a look at tomorrow's forecast. There's the little spritz and sprinkles that are going to be around for tomorrow morning. Then as we go through the afternoon, most of that starts to burn away. We're still very cloudy, though, and so that's going to keep temperatures very cool for tomorrow. As we head into Wednesday, the cold front is going to come through at about midnight on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. A little bit of light rain possible, and then it sweeps on by. But look at this. By Wednesday at 7 a.m. in the morning, a little bit of lingering rain, but that's starting to clear, and then the clouds start to clear. But it's right there along the coastline. There have been indications all day that Corpus Christi may be right there on that dividing line. So if you can make it out of the cloud cover, getting some sunshine during the afternoon, Wednesday may be up there around 70 degrees. If you keep the cloud cover all day, your temperature may stay around 60 degrees. So there's a big possibility there, just depending on whether you see clouds or sun on Wednesday. So for tomorrow's forecast, we're going to all have the clouds, so it's going to be chilly for us throughout the entire day. Around 59 degrees during the afternoon, 57 by lunchtime, and we're going to be looking at that drizzle for the first part of the day, cloud cover for the second half. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast, brought to you by AutoNation. Gear up with a new truck. AutoNation's New Year New Truck event is on. Rush to the AutoNation store near you. So it's going to be fairly cool for the next 3 days. We start to warm back up into Friday and Saturday, still gloomy with the chance of drizzle all week long. Our best chance of sunshine is going to be on Sunday when temperatures are right there around 69 degrees. Andy?